The WAN 2.1 AI video generator is a powerful tool that allows you to create AI-generated videos completely free of charge. Unlike other AI models that require installation and high-end hardware, WAN 2.1 runs entirely online, making it accessible to everyone, even if you have a slow computer. Whether you're a content creator, a student, or just curious about AI video generation, this platform provides a simple and effective way to bring your ideas to life. Started, visit wan.video, link available in the video description. Log in using your Google or GitHub account. You will receive 50 free welcome credits. Click the credits menu to view your balance. To start generating videos, go to the AI video menu. How to generate AI videos? Choose the WAN AI text-to-video model from the list. The 2.1 Plus version provides better quality but takes longer to process. Enter a description of the video you want in the prompt bar. Use the Enhance prompt, a button to improve your input. Select the video aspect ratio, landscape, portrait, or square. Click Generate, and after a short wait, your video will be ready. Enjoy your high-quality AI-generated video.